guys, my name is Trishna and welcome back to Lotus's YouTube channel. As you have already read the title, this video is all about me trying out the viral hack of pink concealer. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see how well does this hack perform. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with the foundation, and I'm using my favorite foundation, which is the Eco Stay Intensive Serum Foundation, and I'm in shade Fawn. So now comes the fun part, and I'm going to take the lipstick, which is the Butter Matte lipstick, and this is the shade that I'm going for. This is more of a red shade but with a pink undertone. So I'm going to take my brush and apply it under my eyes, and I'm going to go for the concealer, which is the Eco Stay Concealer, and I'm in shade Nude Beige. So I'm going to just put it right here. So as you can see, the eyes look quite different when I've applied the pink red kind lipstick, and it looks like a natural pink flush looking skin under my eye, and I'm going to repeat the process in my left eye and come back. So this is the final look that I have created with like just two products, and this is the viral hack. I don't see much of a difference with this hack. It is still doable if you want to hop on these viral hack trends that are going on. So what do you think about this look? Please do let me know in the comments below, and I am also going to put down all the products that I've used in the description box below, so do not forget to check them out.